Okay guys, let's check out this new paper airplane. I believe you will love it. I will throw it up high to see how far this one can fly. Hopefully it will fly far. Anyways, let's check it out. Wow, this is a good one. Hello everybody, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial. Today I am going to teach you how to make a new cool paper airplane. This paper airplane is my new design. It flies okay outdoor, but don't expect it to fly super duper far. Anyways, let's start. First step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Press down the paper, creates the center crease. And then unfold the paper. Flatten down the paper. And start from this side. Fold this edge to the other edge. And press down the paper too. On the following step, let's unfold the paper. Press down the paper. Next step, let's start from this upper edge. Start from both sides. Fold both sides, both corners. Fold both corners to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the other side. And press down the paper. Now, start from the upper edge, fold straight to this line. And unfold the paper. Press down the paper. Now, start from this edge, fold to the center crease, and repeat the same fold for the other side. Repeat the same fold for the other side now. Press down the paper. Next step, let's fold this part of the paper down. Now we have a rectangle. Actually a square. We have a very nice square. On the following step, you see this crease. Also the other side, you can see this crease. I will use this crease as a reference to fold straight to this corner. And now I repeat the same fold for the other side. Now, I start from this edge of the paper and I fold to the center crease. And I repeat the same fold for the other side. Let me fold a little bit more. If it is off, then the paper won't look nice. So let's adjust it. Okay. Then press down the paper. Now, this is what we have. And next, I unfold the paper for both sides. And unfold this part of the paper as well. Now I will match both edges here together this way. Let me adjust the paper. This is off a little bit, so let me adjust one side and then the other side. Now this is what I have, a very nice shape of paper. Let me adjust this side too. Maybe I can fold it better. You can see this edge. Now I can use that as a reference to fold. Okay, and now I can press down the paper. Now both sides are even. Let's repeat the same fold. I can fold this to a side and fold it to the other side. Okay. Now on the following step, I will open this part of the paper. We have both sides. Let's open and press this down. Press this down. Okay. And press down the paper. It looks just fine. Alright. And this upper layer, I will open it up and fold both edges to the center crease. And press this. Here we go. So this is what I have. I'll repeat the same fold for the other side. And press the paper down. There we go. So this is what we have. Very nice shape of paper. I've pressed down the paper now, and I try to adjust it so both sides of the paper are even. Let's adjust this side now. I've pressed down the paper. Okay. Can adjust it later too. Also this side. Make sure that it's flat. And press it down, and now I can flip the paper over. You can see this part of the paper. I will fold it toward the back to create the head. So this is what I have. I have the head of the paper already, and now I can fold the paper in half. So I fold the paper in half like this. Very simple. Next step, I will start from this edge. I match it to this edge to create the wings. Press down the paper. And I repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's flip the paper over and match this edge of this part of the paper to this line to create the wings. And press the paper down. So this is the paper airplane. You can test it out now, but it may not fly well at all. That's why we need to create the elevators and stabilizers to stabilize the paper airplane. So very simple. We have this crease already. We can start from the outside edge here, fold straight to this crease or this edge. So I'll just do it. I just make a straight fold. And I repeat the same fold for the other side. And press down the paper. Here we go. Now I can just unfold this part of the paper to create these elevators and stabilizers. Basically stabilizers. So we have both now we have stabilizers on both sides. And you can test it out. If it doesn't fly up, you can just create elevator at the end of the wings. You can fold up like this for both sides and then flatten it down. Alright, so this is a new paper airplane. Let's test it out by yourself. If it flies well for you, don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, subscribe my channel, follow my Facebook page, and finally, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. How do you think, guys? Isn't this awesome? Let's test this out one more time.